Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on Start icon and then select Task Manager. Select Startup tab, and we need to disable all the softwares which are running on our machine. After that, close this window. Now click on search icon and in the search bar type settings and click here to open it. Now go to Apps tab, then select Apps and Features. Now just scroll down and on the Microsoft items, go to Advanced Options and select Background Apps Permissions as never and close this window. Again go to Start icon and open Device Manager. On this window, expand Display Adapters. Right click on here and select Update Drivers. Now just follow my screen. Click on Check for updates. This will take some time to complete the process. So wait for it, and once done, you need to download and install the latest update. After that, close all windows one by one. Again go to search bar and search for CMD. Right click on it, select Run as Administrator. This will open a command prompt window. Type this command and hit enter. After that, type Y and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.